So, I was on Facebook today having a really nice discussion with a young man from Louisiana about transgendered people. He was a little confused about attraction and why some men were attracted to what he was calling the queens. And we had a lovely discussion, and I explained to him the differences about gender, biological sex, gender expression, and gender identity, and just sort of tried to get him to understand, the difference between the two. I mean, between the three, and just how complex gender has become in the last 20 years, our understanding of gender. So I was a little disturbed to have a black biological female friend post sort of a transphobic comment about a transgendered woman. And she readily admitted that she knew she was transitioning, but referred to her as a man. And I don't think she liked to hear this, but I felt she was being insensitive. And I also told her she was being transphobic. If you knew that this woman was doing something a little improper with her skirt, with where the slit was, or what have you, I put it to her like this: what would you do with another woman? And I tried to give it an even better framing. What would you do if it was a young woman who probably didn't know any better because she didn't even have female figures or what have you around her? And I tried to get her to see that's how it is for some trans women. They're not only navigating hormones, body changes, but now they're navigating brasiers, corsets, panties, pantyhose, heels, stockings, I mean, a number of different things. And I understand that she may have been embarrassed because it was obvious that this person was in transition to becoming and living their truth, but because of her embarrassment, that didn't mean that it wasn't her place as a woman to call, to not help her out. You know what I'm saying? And I also feel it's important to then not make fun of these trans women, just because we think they're easy targets and stuff like that. And I guess it's because I'm trying to learn myself how to be more accepting of transgendered people and working on my issues there, that I sort of can't tolerate someone else being actively insensitive, whether they are aware of it or not. But I just felt it was my place to call her out and say, by calling her a man, you're sort of, as a biological woman, you're asking her to qualify her womanhood. And that's not cool and whatnot. I mean, and I guess this has a lot to do with the fact that I'm sort of studying the works of Laverne Cox and who's that other beautiful, B. Scott is recently transgendered, and Janet Mock. And I won't stand for biological women making fun of trans women. I won't stand for cisgendered men making pariahs of men who are attracted to trans women. And I'm just going to make a stand for it. And I felt so strongly that I felt I just needed to make a video talking about it, because I feel that the issue's that important.